Hi guys, let's try to understand today's topic logical function and switch function in the Power BI. So before starting this topic, I have a question for you. Are you still writing a long and confusing nested if formulas to handle difficult condition in the Power BI report? Because many developers create a messy staircase logic and multiple if statement in this, so that makes the code hard to read, difficult to maintain, and sometimes even slower when the data set grows. So in this video you will briefly recap if and or condition and main focus to switch function in the DAX. So you will learn the powerful switch pattern which help you to write cleaner and more professional and stable logical function in the Power BI. So let's jump on the screen and try to understand what is the if functions, what is the R functions, and functions and OR functions. So first let's take the if conditions. So if condition simply give a logical test, in that is test logical test is true, then give the true result, otherwise give the false result. So we can add a multiple condition over there as a nested if. Second one is the AND condition. So I'll give you two logic 1 or logic 2. If both logic are true, so that will give a true result, otherwise give a false result. Second one is this third one is the or basically give a two condition there, logical 1 and logical 2. If either this condition is true or this condition true, is a one condition true, give the true condition, true result, otherwise give the false result. So these are the basic logical functions in the Power BI which we use. And let's jump on the second one, that is a switch function. So switch function, basically you have to give a expression over there. So first you have to expression, if that expression would come and check, okay, the value 1 is true, to give the result 1. If the coming is value 2, give the second value result. If value is coming third, give the result third. So that you can add so many logical condition over there and get the desired result. So let's do one thing, quickly jump on the Power BI and do this practically. So I jump on the Power BI to do this practically, the switch functions. So I have the year ID and the cost. So I want separate this cost in the first half and second half. First half means first 6 months what is our cost, last 6 months what is our cost. So let's do it through the switch function. I'll jump on the Power BI, open the calendar table and add a column there. So first, as you are aware, we have to give the measure name over there. Now I have to give the column name there. So column name is like year half. Now give the switch function. So first the expressions. So expression is like a calendar month, calendar ID, right? And give the, if calendar ID is of 1, what I will give? I'll give the first half, right? And use the shift alt arrow down and give some number over there. So that is the second. Okay, now I have to give the comma there. Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. If the first 6 months, so give the first half. And let's suppose if there is a second half, means 7 to 12. So we have to give the result as a second half. Shift alt arrow down, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And let's suppose the 12 is not available. So what can you do? We can give some hash like this, right? And parenthesis close. that is done. So you can see how easy it is, right? And if you're using the if conditions, so you have to give the lots of nested if and give the multiple condition over there. So it is more easy to use. Let's jump on the Power BI, the front page in this report view, and put this year half there, right? Now see the result. Oh, I just open the ID. I want the second half. So where is that? Year half. See the result. That's exactly we want through the switch. So I hope you enjoy this video. So next video you will understand some more functions, this logical functions. Then we will jump on the some assignment and just see you in the next video. So stay tuned.